In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subsystem in MATLAB Simulink. Now, there's actually various ways to do this. The first one is if you already have like a model, for example. This is just a very simple one. You could go ahead and just kind of highlight these by selecting them like that. And then when you actually select your blocks, you want to right click on any of them and click on Create Subsystem from Selection. It's going to create a subsystem, and then you can double click to actually enter that subsystem. And up top, you can go back by clicking either on My Model or just basically by going back with this arrow. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Now the second one is if you're inside the model, you can click on New, and then of course this arrow down here, and you want to click on Subsystem where it says from Template, or you could do Blank Subsystem, and that's also going to create yourself a subsystem. Okay, and also if you are inside your MATLAB over here, you can go ahead and click on Simulink, and in here you can go and create a blank subsystem from here as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.